Hi everyone, Jay Schnorr here with another how-to in the meta quest videos that we host in our playlist on VEDX. I'm CEO of VEDX. We consult schools and organizations about deploying VR in their organization and the effectiveness of that for training workplace. Well, a lot of that is deployment. So you get the new VR headsets and what you do inside of them, either for the work or all the options that are available so that you can be creative, because this is a technology that allows creation. In our last video, I had said I was going to cover camera function in this video here. So let's get going on that. I'm going to click here. When you see this camera, I'm going to click it. You can see that I'm recording. Do you see that little red dot? So as I record, I have already gone through and made sure the right settings are in place. Most of this you don't need to mess around with, but you can see include mic audio. Always make sure that that's on. You can hear me now because I have that on. Reset recording, left eye selection, image stabilization. Image stabilization is if you're moving around a lot, it kind of slows that down. And that could be good because when you're in VR, like you can see here, I'm looking around, but the video moves a lot quicker than is comfortable. Frame rate, leave it at 30 FPS. It's a good rate for visual, and bit rate. So those are the settings. Usually don't need to do too much in there, but just wanted to show you that those were available. And so I'm going to close out of there. Now, you have four things you can do. Now, I'm recording, and when I'm done recording this video, I'm going to either do one of two things. I'm going to send the video off to my friends, and I can do that via here in WhatsApp, or I can plug my Quest headset in and extract that video onto a file, which I will show you as part of this video in the second half. I can take a photo. So by taking a photo, it blinks and then snaps. So that is the photo I just took of this venue. Now that saves it here. Now I can take that photo, and like I said, I can share it off. I'm going to send it to myself so that I can have it. This is probably the easiest way instead of plugging in the phone, etc. My test photo. And off it goes. And you can see those there. You can see your entire... If you haven't downloaded WhatsApp, by the way, you're watching this, you've got a MetaQuest, download WhatsApp. It's a wonderful encrypted software that allows you to have discussions with other people outside of text chat and do a lot more than SMS text chat could ever think of doing. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close that. So you can send it off to yourself. That way, it automatically is in this file, just like a camera. So when you go to plug that into your computer, you'll be able to call it up and hit copy and paste just like any other MP3. The other thing you can do, I can't do it right now, but I can show you. When I'm done with recording, I would hit cast. Now, when I hit cast, that means that's going to try to cast to my phone. In order for that cast to take place, so that you can have a live casting session, you need to make sure that your phone and your headset are on the same Wi-Fi network. So you can see here, I'm on Marin Mave at my home here. But if you're casting and you want it to go live on your phone or on your PC computer, both devices, the one you're casting from and the device you're going to cast to, need to be on the same Wi-Fi network so that you can cast. Now, oftentimes when I'm in a classroom, I'll click cast, I'll click computer, and then I'll plug my computer in with the HDMI cord and bring the live cast up on the screen, and you would be seeing whatever I'm doing out here. And as you can see from last week, I changed my environment again. I love the little winter space here. But back to the camera here. And then I can go live. So I can set up the live setting, again, not available while I'm recording. So I can do a live session and post that Facebook Live if you're connected with the Facebook stuff. So that's pretty much the camera. I like to keep these short and easy. Feel free to play with it a lot. Take some photos. It's really fun. See, it blinks, gives me a chance to shut my menus down, and I can take a photo of the whole space. And then I can bring it back up by hitting the Oculus button, and there it is again. I can then share that off. I see this, if this sync is on and your phone has the app and both of them are on the Wi-Fi network that you're on, it's automatically syncing in your phone those pictures to your Oculus app. So if you haven't downloaded the Oculus app yet, do that. The next part of this video, we're going to jump out of VR, and I'm just going to show you really quick. As part of the video, I'm going to show you what happens when I just want to jump into my Oculus and grab the videos and pictures I've taken and share them. So hold steady, and in just a second, you'll be seeing my computer screen because we're jumping out of here. So I'm going to stop.
Hi, everyone. All right, we just finished seeing what happens in the headset when we record a video or picture. Easiest way again is to send that via your MetaQuest friends or in WhatsApp. I prefer WhatsApp, but that's up to you. So now we're going to put on the headset. We're going to plug in this little USB-C plug. Now, it may try to bring up on your computer the Meta link. Just hit close. Then go back into your headset and you'll see a notification that says allow USB debugging. Hit always allow. If that doesn't pop up, in the very bottom, you will see under the alerts a thing that says USB debugging. Just click on that in the alert section, and all of a sudden you will see here that it pops up. You can see my screen. Quest 3, or this is the Quest 3, but it'll say Quest 2. You open that up just like you would any other type of camera. You can see here where you can access the stuff in there. Under a camera, normally it's going to be under DCIM, but in the Oculus, you have screenshots, which are your photos, and video shots, which are your videos. So I'm going to click there, and there, my friends, is the video that I just took this morning, and I'm going to just copy it, and I can then just I'm going to put it in my downloads for now, paste it here, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this short video about using the camera function. So remember, you can cast, and you can take photographs, and you can take videos, and also go live. So try out the camera function. Feel free to subscribe. Next week's support video is going to be on troubleshooting. Some of the things that happen, like pairing your controllers if there's an issue there, or when this light flashes different colors. So we'll see you next week. In the meantime, again, try out the camera and feel free to ask questions here in the YouTube comments, and I'll see you soon.